Oh, I don't think so.
That looks better than the pineapple.
Oh, hey guys, Night Prowler here. And we are here with little Prowler.
Good.
What's good? And we are here at, what are we?
GI, Airsoft.
Wait, yeah, Airsoft GI?
Yeah. We're
We're Airsoft GI. And we're checking out because we're gonna buy him a new airsoft gun. For his early birthday present. We've never bought any airsofts before, but this is gonna be his first one. We're looking at the KWA LM4 blowback, gas blowback operated. That's probably what we're gonna go with. And we'll see if we can find, see if they have one with a rail, because a rail would be better. Well, I guess we could always mod that one later.
Or we can just go with style, without a rail.
Yeah. All right, well, let's walk around and show them real quick. This place is totally cool. Look at this. Here, let's go this way. I don't want to get people in the video that don't want to be.
Blur up their faces.
I don't know how to do any of that. Anyway, oh, by the way, guys, I just got a new phone, so my videos might be a little better now. I just got a Note 4. Yeah, I just got a Note 4, so this is the first video with the new phone, so.
Wait, is that a Luger or a P38?
I'm not even sure. Yeah, BARs are like 30 pounds in real life, I think.
Yeah.
What is that one up there? That one, very top one?
I like that one.
Oh yeah, I guess I could zoom in, couldn't I guess? Oh yeah, look at that. Technology.
Why don't we just anchor in there?
That's neat.
USB.
Alright, let's back up. Let's go this way real quick.
I thought he changed it. Next Sunday. Oh yeah, I can't go with that then.
I think I'm gonna buy one of these and just stick it on my AR, just for the heck of it, just to